Hey guys, we're going to be doing a Vantage copy trading review. Is it actually worth trying? So basically what this is, it's a well-known CFD broker. They have over 15 years of experience, and now they've basically added copy trading to their suit. Basically what it means that you can literally copy, the top performing traders with just a few taps on the Vantage app. Now this is perfect, if you're like a beginner and basically you don't know what you're doing exactly. So if you're someone short on time as well, it's perfect for you. So it works very simply. You just open the Vantage app, you go to the copy trading section, okay, and you just browse through the vetted, strategy providers that they have, and you just start copying their trades in real time. So the app itself is user friendly, it's fast. People actually praise this for its stability even during peak trading hours. Okay, it's very simple. So what's actually good is you can access over 1,000 plus instruments, tight spreads. There's no account management fees, so it also includes a negative balance protection and also has segregated accounts, so that's perfect as well. And basically your funds are safer. Okay, there's no minimum stop loss limit. Basically gives you more flexibility than some competitors. So what could be better, guys, but unfortunately if you're a US resident, this platform is not available there yet. So yeah, if you're from anywhere outside of the United States, definitely go for it. Try it out. And if you're looking for a passive entry into trading, or you want to mirror the moves of more experienced pros, definitely worth a try. Okay, but remember guys, copy trading is not risk free, so do this at your own risk. But otherwise, it is really that easy. And if you found this review helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Appier Solutions.